Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin with essentials: a working Microsoft account and a verified email. Once signed in at account, Microsoft.com, go directly to security and advanced security options. Do not skip this. Add your verified email as a recovery contact, then install and open Microsoft Authenticator. You're doing this because the Authenticator replaces SMS for two-step verification, keeping the account secure while avoiding phone number verification. Make sure the app is linked to this account before moving on to reward setup. Now configure authentication. Choose the Authenticator app as your primary two-step method and scan the QR code that appears. Follow prompts to approve a test sign-in. Once done, save the recovery codes to a secure location and add an alternate recovery email so Microsoft can contact you if there's an issue. Also review trusted devices and mark any personal computers you use frequently. This reduces prompts and prevents Microsoft from insisting on a phone number during occasional verifications. Finish by signing into Microsoft Rewards and completing your profile details. Use your verified email and the Authenticator sign-in. Start earning immediately with Bing searches, Edge browsing bonuses, and mobile app daily sets. Link Xbox or other services for extra points. If Microsoft still requests a phone number, don't use sketchy services. Instead, go to account support. Submit an identity verification with your saved recovery email and recovery codes, and explain the Authenticator setup.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.